Standard 10, Subject Geography, Chapter 6, Population. Dear children, in this chapter we are going to study about the population of India and Brazil. Population is an important resource of any country. The qualitative aspects of a population are important for a nation's economic and social progress. Let us study about the population of India and Brazil. India's population is around 121 crores according to census of 2011. India is the second most populous country in the world. India occupies only 2.41% of the land area of the world, whereas it supports 17.5% of the world's population. India's average population density is 382 persons per square kilometer as per 2011 census. In India, population is very unevenly distributed. Physiography, climate and play an important role in the distribution of population. Due to the fertile land, plain land and availability of water, human settlements have been established in these parts for many centuries. Due to farming, industries and trade, the proportion of the population got concentrated in few places. For example, the northern plains of the country, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, etc. On the contrary, in mountainous hilly regions, dry desert areas, dense forest areas, density is sparse because of inaccessibility, absence of facilities and tough life. Now let us see population of Brazil. Brazil is the most populated country in the South American continent with a population of around 19 crores according to census of 2010. It ranks 5th in the world. It is also the 5th in the world with respect to area. Brazil occupies 5.6% of the world's total land and has 2.78% of world's total population. Therefore, the density of population is around 23 persons per square kilometer. The distribution of population is very uneven in Brazil. The majority of Brazilians have concentrated within 300 kilometers of the eastern coastal areas, also called the coastal lowlands. Therefore, agriculture and industries have flourished well here. As a result, higher density of population is found here. On the other hand, the interior in the Amazon basin is very sparsely populated. Unfavorable climate, heavy rainfall, accessibility and dense forests are the barriers to development of human settlements here. Therefore, settlements occur only in few places in the Amazon basin. The central and western part of Brazil is less populated. The density of population in the highlands of Brazil is moderate. Let's study population composition through these given figures. The graph shown here are the composition of sex ratio and age and sex pyramids. This graph shows the sex ratio of Brazil and India. Sex ratio means the number of females per thousand males in region. It is evident from the given graph that the number of women in Brazil have always been more than men, while in India they have never been more than men. With reference to both the countries, the characteristics of population are prominently notable. The sex ratio of Brazil has been more than 1000 since decades. Considering the sex ratio of Brazil, the number of women have considerably increased than men since 2001. In India, men outnumbered women. This given graph shows age and sex of population. This graph is known as population pyramid. It is used to study the age and sex related aspects of a region's population. This helps us to know the proportion of children, youth, and the old people in our country. In this pyramid, we can see that the number of young people is more in both the countries, but the proportion of children is more in India. While proportion of people in the age group than above 80 years, India is more in Brazil. Considering the age of population, Brazil's population is getting slowly older, but in India the situation is different. The proportion of youth in India is more. This means India has higher working population. Now here this shows the population growth rate. Though the line shows a downward trend, it does not mean population is decreasing. It shows that the growth is lesser than the previous decade. The growth is less, and looking at the trend in the near future, Brazil's population may decrease. And in this figure, the life expectancy. This graph shows the life expectancy of Brazil and India. This means the average number of years a person born in a country is expected to live. Indians live for 68 years on an average, and Brazilians live for 75 years. The life expectancy of India was around 41 years in 1960, but now it has increased. It will continue to increase in future. Thank you.